We're in the forward bilge of this 43-foot boat. Wanted to show you a few things down here. First, most obvious is there to the left, the water heater. And then back to the stern of the boat, there to my right, is the inverter. And then back over here to my left again, that square box, is the shower sump for probably the bathtub. Yes, this boat's got a bathtub. Then looking down there further in the actual V of the bilge, you can see the Rule-O-Matic float switch and the bilge pump. And what you may not be able to see is there's a lot of dust and fuzz down there, fuzz from the brand new carpet that will plug up the bilge pump. So all that needs to be cleaned out. Looking forward, you can see there's another sump pump, which is for the vanity sink, and also the shower and the air conditioning condensate drain. All goes in there, and because of all that fuzz down there, this is a dry bilge boat. Over to screen right is the vacuum generator for the vacuum flush toilet, and we'll show you that operate just right now. Go ahead. So you can see the bellows pump creating a new vacuum to have the toilet ready for the next flush. If you want to learn more about boat systems, bilge pumps, vacuum flush toilets, water heaters, inverters, look us up on the internet. Ask Captain Chris.